Cloud Composer is a managed Apache Airflow service that helps you create, schedule, monitor, and manage workflows. Cloud Composer automation helps you create Airflow environments quickly and use Airflow native tools such as the powerful Airflow web interface and command line tools so you can focus on your workflows and not your infrastructure. So what is Apache Airflow? It is an open source platform to orchestrate data pipelines programmatically, mostly with Python. You can create your workflows in Apache Airflow using directed acyclic graphs, or DAGs for short. One of the data analytics workflow examples includes ingesting data, applying transforms, and then analyzing them. So what is a directed acyclic graph, or DAG as we called it? A DAG defines the tasks and dependencies that are part of your workflow and is written using Python. The main purpose of a DAG is really just to execute at the right time, in the right order, and with the right issue handling. Airflow provides central management and scheduling of all workflows, managing their tasks on an array of distributed workers, a bit like compute nodes in the other distributed platforms that we've been looking at. Airflow also provides an extensive CLI tool, as well as a comprehensive web UI for creating and managing workflows. When you create a workflow in Composer, a Google Cloud environment is automatically created. The Airflow platform is based on a microservices architecture running in Google Kubernetes Engine. Airflow workers load plugin and workflow definitions from cloud storage and run each task using the Compute Engine API. The Airflow scheduler makes sure backups are executed in the configure's cadence and with proper task order. Redis is used as a message broker between Airflow components. Cloud SQL proxy is used to communicate with the metadata repository.